Okay, folks, we are installing a vent for a dryer. So I'm going to so basically their dryer right here is just venting into the crawl space. So we have to run it from here to the exterior of the property. So it's currently, so this is just venting into the crawl space.
Oh, okay.
And the problem is, yeah, let's try to pull, can we pull this out a little bit? There. The problem is, this beam is in the way right here. And we're gonna need to somehow be able to get a 4-inch.
We're gonna need a Sawzall?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't know. I don't think we can fit a 4-incher in there. But I don't know. Maybe this will fit. Nope. So that board that was in the way, it was completely loose. Oh, that was it.
Yeah, it wasn't nothing.
It wasn't anything. All right. Well, that's good. That's really good. All right. You want to try to stick this? See if it'll fit in there. That looks like quite a bit of clearance now.
About there.
Oh, hell yeah.
Going down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay. As you can see, there is dryer lint everywhere. And our hole is going to be right there. We got this beam. So this does not make it easy, but I think we'll be able to get it to fit. Miraculously, we were able to get it to go together. But unfortunately, there's no possible way to tape it or screw it together. So we're just going to have to strap the run that we're doing down this way. We're going to just strap it so it doesn't come out, but I actually got it.
Guess I'm gonna have to shower again today.
Okay. Now for the hard part. Okay, so we ran out of the little flexible 90 thing, so to save me a trip going to Hirsch, we cut a piece, we lined it up with that, and then put it up against the wall, and I just drew a circle around it. So now we'll stick a screw through the middle of that, then I'll go on the other side and drill the hole through the side of the house. There you go. All right, now let me drill it through. All right, that's good. No, you're good, you're good. The whole hog didn't work. Thought I'd give it a try. But just ended up busting it out with a hammer and hammer drill. So, all right, there you have it. That was pretty hard. Was that hard for you as it was for me?
You know what it was? There's fucking shit in the ground. It was on my mind the whole fucking time.
Yeah, there's shit all over here. Because there's that probably popped off at one point. Yeah. Put Lexel around the outside. If you wanted to get crazy with it, you could probably stucco around that too, huh? Just the little edges. If you wanted to get crazy with it, no?
Yeah,
But we Lexeled it. Sitting flush. Alright. Now go inside and just tape it up. And it's back. And we're done. It's all connected. That was hard.